már föl van rakva az öletömön. Ott van a domboldalon az Dani. Rámegyek. Ott jönnek. Kiürünk. Aha. Ott van egy maga. De hiába lövünk oda föl. Megvolt. Megtaláltam. Ez nem én voltam, már kilőttem a domboldalt, rájuk lőni. Ez volt az is. Na gyerekek, rájuk menjünk. Jó, az állóháborúval menjünk oda. Majd rájuk futunk, azt lövöldözünk. Ott vannak a domb mellett, ott vannak a
my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my time. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
De egyébként a dombra rá kell szaladni egyébként onnan. Vigyére, vigyére.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never profit. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Gyertek vissza, Dani, de hátra.
We attack in a pack, no react, no react. Think I'm black, up his back. While I rap, not to step, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Gotta play it better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to die, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Front row, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All the social media is kinda going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate and real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it. Take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion in depths when it happens. Factions and actions. Trapped in their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status. Facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions. I'm snapping. No captions. Attracting reactions. Adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits. I don't fucking ask, bitch. I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, playing into habits. So I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put them on blast, kid. They will never last, kid. Don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic. This shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah, bitch. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they're looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Au! Megvolt, ott állt szembe bazdmeg a piros és a farkas. Megvan? Van egy tűzbombám. Micsoda? Hát de ott csak van valaki. Bomba! Hát túl Pistol már egyáltalán? Nem. Pistol? Nem tudom, van még egy. Megpróbálok még egy pistolt. Megint elalszik, mert hülyét kapunk. Jó, legalább most már a hangot. Hát csak füstől hallani egy kicsit. Kifüstöljük őket. Odadér! Nézzük! Így megöltük ide. Most kéne rájuk kerülni, de nem látnak lófasra, most csak részlet. Ez jó. Ez most füstölt. Jönnek. Úgy, kitölt. Akkor én is. Megvolt! Szét a kitalán.